Yes, Suma, are you present in the class or absent? Okay, so have you prepared your test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start our today's test. Today we will having a test of chapter number 11 MCQs as well as short questions. So let's start from MCQs. Let me share screen with you. So screen is sharing with all of you, right? Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start. Starting from Barira Fatima from you. Please answer the MCQs. Why it is difficult to directly measure the drift speed of an electron? What should be the correct option?
Uh, C.
Oh, yes, very good. Electron moves very slowly and collide randomly. Good. Next, again, from you, Brida Fatma. Drift velocity of electron is generally,
Very small.
yes, right, very small. Good. Next, again, from you, Brida Fatma. What mainly prevents tracking of a single electron in a conductor?
Uh, Random collisions of atom.
Oh, yes, random collisions with that. Good. Okay, next. Uh, let me check how many students are there. Only you. Where is Huma? Is she left? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so only one student in today's class. Okay. Okay. Barira, you can answer. EMF is measured when the circuit is?
EMF open circuit.
Yes, good. Open circuit. Fifth one, potential difference is measured in a?
Closed circuit.
Yes, good. Closed circuit. Good. Sixth one, EMF is associated with?
Uh, Source of energy.
Yes, right. Source of energy. Seven, potential difference is
The
measured between?
Any 2 points.
Yes, any 2 points of circuit. Very good. Eighth one, EMF is independent of?
Uh, in resistance.
Yes, resistance. Good. Ninth, potential difference depend on?
Length.
Potential difference depends on?
Resistance.
Yes, resistance. EMF is the?
Cause of current flow.
Yes, cause of current flow. Very good. 11th, potential difference is the?
Effect.
Yes, is the effect. 12th, in a working circuit?
EMF is greater than potential difference.
Yes, greater than potential difference. Very good. 13, relation between EMF and terminal voltages. 13.1 Relation between EMF and terminal voltage is. Is my voice is clear? Yes, Soma, are you present? Just waiting for new students. The link have been shared in your WhatsApp groups. So join your class as soon as possible. Okay, so here are our problem number 13. Here you can see problem number 13. as many students haven't joined the meeting yet, so let me explain your MCQs. They are 13 MCQs, relationship between EMF and terminal voltages. The correct option for this MCQs is option B, right? Option B is the correct answer. E is equal to V plus I R, right? Now move on towards 14th MCQ. Terminal voltage across load is given by. The correct answer is option B. V equals to E minus IR, right? Okay, now move on towards the 15th. The 15th MCQs is the EMF represents. The correct option for this is also B, energy supplied per unit charge, right? Now move on towards options. MCQs number 16. The potential difference basically represents energy used by the load. So correct option is option number B, right? Okay, now move on towards the 17th MCQs. Kirchhoff's law are used to measure. The correct option is solving complex circuits, right? Now move on towards MCQs number 18. Kirchhoff's current law is based on. The correct option is option B, conservation of charge, right? And the Kirchhoff's voltage law depends on conservation of energy. But here the Kirchhoff's current law, which is the first law, it is basically the conservation of charge. 19th one, according to KCL, sum of currents at junction is. The correct option is option C, 0, right? Here is the correct option, option C, 0. Now move on towards the MCQs number 20. At a junction, current entering is always, option is C, equals to leaving current, right? MCQs number 21. Kirchhoff's voltage law is based on, as I mentioned you before, conservation of energy, right? MCQs number 22. Internal resistance is usually ignored because why? Because of it is very small. Internal resistance is very small, right? Now move on towards 23. Internal resistance cause. The correct option for this is voltage drop inside source. All right. Because of the voltage drop inside source, that's why internal resistance causes. The MCQ is number 24. Internal resistance is connected in what? In series with the source. Right? Here you can see in series with the source. The next one is ignoring internal resistance makes analyzing. The correct option is easier and simplify, right? So these are your 25 MCQs of today's test. Hope you all will revise those lectures in your upcoming lecture as well. So that's all for our today's test, right? We're having a short questions test tomorrow, inshallah, of chapter number 11, short questions, exercise short questions, right? Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.